Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to install Subway Surfers on your iPhone or your iPads, whether you are new to iOS or just need a refresher. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a Wi-Fi and make sure that you're also logged in to your Apple ID in the App Store. Once you've made sure of that, launch open the App Store from your iOS device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right. You will see a search box appearing at the top. Type in Subway Surfers in it. Once you see the search results, you'll find the Subway Surfers app. Tap on the Get or the arrow button right next to the app. Wait for the application to download and install. You should see the game developed by Cybo Games. Make sure to download the app that is official, and then once done, click on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Subway Surfers on your iOS device. Follow through the on-screen instruction, provide your age and all the necessary information, and you'll be able to play the game right away. So that is how you can easily download and install Subway Surfers on your iOS device, whether you are using iPhone or iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.